Hey guys, good morning for me. Basically, lately I have been feeling very unmotivated, but this has been like, I thought I would try and get more motivated. I want to keep doing YouTube. I want to grow my channel. I want to get to where I want to fucking be, because I feel like life is just passing me by and I'm wasting time when I need to be doing stuff that will help me reach my goals in life, and I just want to be successful and I want to achieve my dreams and all this shit. Sorry, that was a lot. I'm gonna do some things to help me maybe be more motivated. So I really just want to like clean up my room, give it like a good deep clean. I have work at 2 right now. It's like 10 something, almost 11 probably, and just like maybe get myself ready to feel better, like make some TikToks. I haven't posted on TikTok in forever. Also, I got banned on my account that had 3K, so please go follow my new account. It would mean the world to me. Thank you. Yeah, that's the intro. Sorry for the long intro. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna start with, but I guess I'm just gonna clean up my room really quick and you're gonna come along with me. Let's look at the room disaster. It's pretty awful. So whenever I clean my room, I start in like one section at a time. So I'll clean that, and then I'll clean that, and then I'll do that, and then I'll do that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I guess I'm gonna do this in a time lapse and you guys are gonna watch me clean my room. So let's do. Okay, so that wasn't bad at all. But here's my TV stand. It's a little dusty, but that's okay. Okay, she's looking good. She's looking good. Now moving on to this disaster. Lord help me. Okay guys, so now I'm done with that. I'm a little out of breath and it's also a little freaking dusty, but don't mind it. It looks a little dusty, but it's not really. So yeah, this is my little desk area. So I just put on this shirt because I was cold. But I did a load of laundry. I'm gonna put the clothes up and make my bed. Okay, y'all, here's the finished product. Looking very cute, very clean. Get on my freshly made bed. Well, I think something else productive I can do is edit this video. You know, I'm filming, it's making me feel better. So I'm gonna edit this video and come back when it's a little later. Let me see what time it is. It's 11:24 right now, so she just loves to get in my freaking laundry and like find stuff to drag out. Hey guys, so I'm gonna have to end the video here. Sorry that I'm already ready, obviously, but I didn't film it because I was on the phone with my friend. So sorry about that, but now I'm gonna head to work. I didn't do any makeup or anything like that. I'm literally just have a long day, so I don't care. But I'm gonna head out, so I'm not late. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And also comment video ideas that you guys want to see, because I have no content ideas, so please let me know what you guys want to see. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.